This driver was cut off at 45 miles per hour by a careless driver, likely distracted by their phone, and just moments later, karma struck instantly. After a reckless pickup truck cut off another driver, karma kicked in almost instantly. A police car appeared and pulled the truck over.
You're supposed to turn. Who are they gonna pull over? Me or that guy? Yes. God, bro. Yes! I'll pull that up. Dude, and I just like, what the man? Why is it? Dude, it scared the shit out of me because I just got into one last time.
This driver caught the moment a white pickup truck started speeding, and just a minute later, it was pulled over by a police officer. This biker happened to catch a car accident in Boston on camera. Luckily, no one was seriously hurt. Another crash nearly occurred when a driver, distracted by looking at the dashcam driver's vehicle, failed to brake and continued driving straight toward them. Fortunately, a collision was avoided just in time.
Thank you.
On May 8, 2025, an officer observed a Ford Escort without license plates. When the officer attempted a traffic stop, the driver refused to pull over, sped away, and a vehicle pursuit was initiated.
Speed 68. Still on Rutgers, coming up the Texas Road. Looks like he threw something.
Good work or something.
Yeah, he just crashed out. He's on foot, on foot.
The suspect led police on a high-speed chase from Arkansas into Oklahoma, ignoring stop signs and driving recklessly. After losing control and crashing into a ditch, he fled on foot into a wooded area. A K-9 search was unsuccessful, but the next day, police identified him as Michael Dwayne Richardson. He later turned himself in and admitted to fleeing. A speeding driver was spotted by a police patrol, and the officer immediately initiated a traffic stop to issue a ticket. If there's snow on your windshield, make sure to clear it off. It can seriously limit your visibility while driving.
哇，係咪佢啲雪啊？睇下佢啲雪，係咪佢啲雪啊？佢而家咁樣，佢邊度睇到？佢邊度睇到雪揸車佢？都傻傻地啲人真係。
佢唔撲走佢。
我點知佢點樣？佢根本點揸唔到你睇，佢都唔知佢，我唔知佢點樣揸，佢諗住繼續。佢啲雪諗住會喐走啊！佢啲雪。
佢 windshield 唔夠啊！佢都唔夠力啊！佢 windshield 鏟唔到啲雪。
梗係鏟唔到啦
！What the hell！佢都撞你囉柚啊！做咩啊？撥佢啊！
喂，佢冇諗住懟埋你啊！喂
On May 9, 2025, Trooper Gunner Foltz was patrolling when he spotted a gray Nissan Altima with a temporary Tennessee tag. He initiated a traffic stop to check the driver's paperwork. The driver initially pulled over to the shoulder, and Trooper Foltz approached the vehicle. However, as he walked up to the passenger side, the driver suddenly fled the scene.
Just TV out of car, one southbound.
During the escape, the driver sped along the shoulder of the road, past multiple vehicles, and drove at dangerously high speeds. Trooper Foltz caught up and performed a pit maneuver to stop the car. He then arrested the driver, identified as Reginald Bell, who admitted he fled because he believed he had marijuana in the car. Speeding is never a good idea. It's dangerous, and you never know when or where police might be watching. This driver learned that the hard way when an officer caught him speeding, resulting in an instant karma moment. Trying to outsmart traffic lights is never a good idea. Respect traffic rules, or this could be how you end up. On May 11, 2025, Trooper Eli Thomas and TFC Garrett Bird were parked on Interstate 55 southbound when they were alerted about a blue Hyundai Elantra linked to a robbery in West Memphis. Shortly after, they spotted the vehicle and began to follow it. Before activating emergency lights, the Hyundai began speeding, and movement was seen from a backseat passenger.
Please try again.
After confirming the license plate, the troopers activated their emergency lights, but the Hyundai continued fleeing into Tennessee at speeds up to 100 miles per hour. A second pit successfully stopped the vehicle, causing it to hit the median barrier. One passenger fled on foot, while the driver pulled over, followed commands, and was taken into custody.